In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Asana or a seasoned user looking for a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to ensure your Asana workspace is up to date and running smoothly. Let's begin by navigating to Asana. Open your web browser and type in the URL for Asana. Once there, you'll need to enter your email address. This is the email you use to sign up for your Asana account. Don't worry if you've forgotten, you can always check your email records or the details from your Asana account settings. After you have typed in your email, go ahead and click on Continue. This will take you to a new page where you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so ensure that your caps lock isn't turned on unless needed. Once your password is entered, click on the Login button. This will lead you to your Asana homepage where all your projects and tasks are displayed. Now, while using Asana, you might wonder how to refresh the application, especially since there's no dedicated refresh button in the app itself. Here's the straightforward way to refresh Asana. While you're on your homepage, simply right-click anywhere within the Asana interface. In the context menu that appears, you'll want to look for the option that says Reload. Clicking on this will refresh the app, updating any changes that have been made by you or your team members. Alternatively, if you prefer keyboard shortcuts or just a quicker method, you can look for the reload icon in your browser, usually resembling a circular arrow. Clicking this icon will also refresh your page, ensuring you're viewing the most current version of your projects and tasks. Refreshing your Asana workspace in these simple steps ensures that any updates from your co-workers or changes you've made elsewhere are reflected instantly. This helps maintain accuracy and keeps everyone on the same page, ultimately improving workflow and productivity. That concludes our quick guide on refreshing Asana. Remember, keeping your workspace up to date is essential for seamless collaboration. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Asana.